Marissa!
We'll be able to chill more.
Marissa's tall now, look at her feet. Her long legs. Like daddy's legs.
Oh, I wish. Let's do prediction. I think she will be 5'8", 5'9".
Yeah, maybe. I'm 5'6". You're
5'8".
5'8". And so far she's very tall, so she might be taller than you.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
We're gonna play lots of sports together.
Where are we going?
We're going to PA again, as always. I'll buy some food to cook for Marissa.
We're gonna cook chicken. We're gonna make chicken soup, and rice soup, and
I'm gonna make mozzarella. I'm gonna make mozzarella sticks, zucchini sticks, and maybe something with lentils, because everything is not caloric enough, because I eat a lot.
Martin is on a diet.
I only eat 10 times a day.
So we're going to PA. Hopefully it's not gonna be because it's always crowded on a Sunday like this, but yeah, we'll hope for the best. So summer in Montreal always means that they are filming a lot here because it's cheap. It's cheaper than in the States. So let's see this. There's a NYPD police car, but we're obviously not in New York. There are taxi cars and we're not in New York as well. So what's happening is they are filming Xavier Dolan movie. Something Donovan, I'm not sure. And yeah, so it's very exciting because we'll watch this movie soon and we'll know it's filmed very close to our house. And although I don't like it that much when they do that, because I don't like it that much because you like it's supposed to be set in New York and then you see your neighborhood, you're like, obviously it's not in New York, so it's a bit of a bummer. So I thought I was gonna film the first grocery haul. So we bought mozzarella for we're gonna make mozzarella sticks. We bought cashew unsalted. We bought chicken smoked sausage. We bought 2 of these. We tried to buy we don't buy organic, but we try to buy no processed food. We bought peppers, carrots, because I'm gonna make the chicken soup. We also got this sesame snap. It's basically, I think, honey and sesame. It's just snacks when you get hungry. We got yogurt. We never buy flavored yogurt because we don't like added sugar, or most of the time they put aspartame in it. So we just buy plain nature one. We got avocados because I love avocado toast. And we bought pinjo, which is the Turkish version of the Bulgarian lutenica. It's basically a ketchup spread kind of thing made with peppers. Some more sausage. And iceberg lettuce. So that's what we bought. Hello and welcome to this episode of Clumsy Kitchen. Today we are cooking chicken rice soup, and yes, so we need carrots, like 2 cups maybe, I don't know, and potatoes, like 2 cups, and celery, like 1 cup, I think. You need half a cup of rice, or okay, I put 3/4, but it's supposed to be half cup. And you need onions, garlic, and butter. Okay. And you also need, obviously, the chicken. So let's start by cooking the onions in the butter. Cooking the onions and the garlic in the butter. So when they are the color that you want, you just add the rice and you saute the rice with the onions and the butter a bit, so that the rice becomes tasty. The rice is still uncooked. And then what I just did, I just added the part of the chicken broth. I'm gonna add more. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna let it boil, and then I'm gonna put it to minimum and let it simmer for 30 minutes until the rice is cooked. And then I'm gonna make it boil again and put the vegetables, like the carrots, the celery, the potatoes, and let it simmer let it boil actually for 30 minutes for the vegetable to be cooked. And at the end I just add the chicken and the soup is done. So I'll show you the final result. So this is the soup.